Hello everyone, I am Kruth Chitre and I will be guiding you over the GUI of our project QuadDrop. The user firstly needs to enter his username and password. If he enters his username or password incorrectly, appropriate message will be displayed on the screen, else he will be allowed to use the delivery system. The password in our database is encrypted using polyalphabetic encryption system. The GUI is available in both light and dark mode. We can toggle between the modes by clicking the button at the bottom right corner. The connect button on top left corner connects your device with the quadcopter and appropriate status message is displayed in the status message box on the left hand side. The information about the customer can be obtained by clicking the customer ID in delivery details section. It will display the customer information like customer name, address, package name, weight and location coordinates. The altitude and speed is displayed in bar form on extreme right side. The emergency control options are present on left side bottom. Initially the buttons are disabled to avoid accidental clicks. In case of emergency, to access this button, the user needs to check the checkbox. The emergency stop button sends the command to land immediately. The emergency callback button calls the quadcopter back to its home location and then sends the command to land immediately. The live feed from quadcopter is available on right side. We will click the start button to start off with the delivery. As you can see, the quadcopter has taken off and will be traveling to its first delivery location. The progress bar at the bottom shows the progress of the delivery to be performed in a single run. The live coordinates and flight data is available on right side under drone flight data tab. As you can see on XY positional data, the very next traveling location of the quadcopter is represented by green circle, other upcoming traveling locations are represented by blue circles, and all the visited locations are displayed by orange circles. As you can see, the quadcopter is descending for delivery. The customer needs to show the QR code in order to pass the authenticity protocol. Once the customer is authenticated, the quadcopter delivers the product and travels to its next delivery location. The quadcopter is descending again for delivery. You must have doubt that what if the customer is unavailable or shows incorrect QR code. If the customer isn't available, the quadcopter stays at the delivery point for certain predefined amount of time, which is 12 seconds in prototype model, and later travels to next delivery location without delivering the package. If the customer provides invalid QR code, he is given a second attempt to show QR code so that he can correct his error if any. If the QR code is found invalid even on the second attempt, the quadcopter departs to its next delivery location with package delivery status as undelivered. The customer is authenticated and now all the deliveries are completed. So the quadcopter will travel back to home location and land. Thank you.